Imagine a courtyard where every detail, from the carved wooden doors to the colorful mosaics, whispers of ancient traditions and exotic beauty. Today, we're taking you on a tour of a Moroccan courtyard that brings the mystique of the desert into a vibrant, lush setting. Welcome to Green Home Living. Step into a Moroccan Casbah, where thick stone walls and arched doorways create an atmosphere of timeless beauty. The central courtyard is filled with potted plants and a traditional tiled fountain, making it an inviting space for quiet reflection. Breathe in the intoxicating scent of a Moroccan garden filled with fragrant flowers. Jasmine and roses bloom in abundance, surrounding a small seating area with lush greenery and vibrant mosaic tiles. Enjoy a moment of tranquility in a Moroccan tea corner, where tradition meets comfort. A low table is set with a traditional tea set, surrounded by comfortable seating. Recreate the soothing experience of a traditional Moroccan hammam in your backyard. A steam room, tiled floors, and a small pool surrounded by plush seating offer a luxurious retreat, where you can unwind and rejuvenate in style. In this cozy Moroccan lounge, a mix of patterned rugs and floor cushions create a welcoming space. A low wooden table serves as the centerpiece, surrounded by a trellis draped in flowering vines. This Moroccan backyard is designed as an open-air living room, where you can relax and entertain with ease. A large, cushioned sofa and a low coffee table invite conversation, while lanterns hanging from a pergola add a touch of warmth and elegance. Step into a lush Moroccan oasis where vibrant, patterned tiles frame a tranquil fountain. The air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers, while the soft rustle of palm leaves provides a soothing soundtrack. Thank you for joining us on this Moroccan courtyard tour. If you're inspired by the rich textures and colors, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more design ideas. See you in the next video, and may your courtyard always be a place of wonder and relaxation.